Hello Jamie, Mary Duncan with Xtime. I thought it'd be easier for me to shoot this quick video for you than to try to explain it in an email. So when you're on your scheduling screen, you want to drop down here to your catalogs. Then you want to go into your operations. And so I'm going to filter, so display and apps. Anything that's marked as all means it's being displayed on your website. So let's just filter to all. And anything, and it also needs to be attached to vehicles under a la carte. So anything that's marked as a none is not on your website. So, I don't want none. Okay. And then all. And then all is for all vehicles. All except supported makes is for anything that's not a GMC brand. So for example, let's go down to engine oil change or oil change. This rank right here is where it lies either internally or on your website. So these ones that don't have any rank, it's being filtered by alphabetical order. And then you've got, here's those Corvette ones that you were looking at. They both have a rank of 1. So that's why they're the first thing that you see on your website. So if you want them to fall lower, you need to change this one. And then based on popularity, you would just, that's how you'd rank it. And remember that if you rank something, if 2 operations out as 1, then it's going to fall in alphabetical order for the first one that's going to populate first, and then the second one's going to populate underneath it. If you want to send me your most popular items and us to do the ranking for you, I can certainly do that, but I just thought I'd show you this in case you wanted to take on the challenge yourself, I guess. But if you have any questions, I can be reached at 312-317-8519. 312-317-8519. Another quick thing I just thought of. So underneath your reports, under launcher, this service by appointment source, well, it's saying, Mary, I'm really hot and I don't feel like working anymore today. That's a joke. I don't know why. Oh, here we go. Services by appointment source. This report right here . And then you choose your time frame. this is going to tell you your number one services that are booked online based on the time frame. I just went back to May last month. Just thought I'd show you the most popular things that are being booked online, and it can help you decide how you're going to want to rank. So you can also export this to manipulate the data. So down here, you can export it into an Excel file, and that way you can filter by web appointments. Looks like, well, right here, this 5,000 mile service with the tire rotation was booked 105 times in May. So if you export this into an Excel file, let's grab that. I'm going to filter it by largest to smallest. And you can see that was the number one service, but the 5,000 mile service package was tire rotation. Then the next one is going to be your change engine oil and filter, then rotate. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day. Thanks.